Alright guys, welcome back. I don't need any introduction, but if for some reason you don't know me, I am Lennox Bennett, the math tutor. Alright, let's go. Grade 4. This is specifically for grade 4, grade 5, this is LP2. Alright. So it says numeracy sample items from the Ministry of Education. Basically it's a very short paper. So I'm encouraging you guys to try the questions first, just to compare and let me know how you do, alright? So I'm gonna go as slow as possible. I know students might say I go fast sometimes, but I'm just trying to push you guys so you guys can become time efficient and so and be very effective in the actual examination. So I deliberately do that to kind of push the pace. All right. So it says, what is the expanded form of 4,530? Let's go. What did you guys got? So one thing about expanded form, when you add it up, you should get back this number, right? So if we add 4 and 5, that's 9 plus 1. No, that's not 4,000, right? But B now, if you add 4,000 plus 500 plus 10, that will give us. So this one would be B. Again, remember you're encouraged to try the question. What is 3 times 4 is the same as, 3 times 4 is the same as, bigger. You guys to see 4. So what you can do is to say 3 times 4. What's the product of 3 times 4? And then now you add all of these numbers and see which one of them give you the same number. Alright, so let's multiply. 3 fours is 12. So we know so we're supposed to get 12. 4 plus 4 plus 8, that is 12. So yeah. You can also check the others to see if 3 plus 4 is 7 and that's 11. That's not equal to 12. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. 3 plus 3, that's 6 plus that 10. So clearly, we can eliminate all of these, right? As only A gives it 12. Alright? Roy has 22 sweets. He buys 19 more. How many sweets does he have in all? Guys, please ensure you're not buying so many sweets at school. So many sweets at school, please. So, he has 22. And then he got 19 more. So we're just gonna total that. So add it, 9 and 1, 11, 1 and 1, that is 41. So in total, he has 41 sweets now. Let's proceed. Which number represents 3 tens and 5 ones? Go ahead and do that. 3 tens and 5 ones. So you see the importance of place value, right? Alright. So let me just take you through something. I'm just gonna take you through something, alright? Not just this alone I'm showing you. The answer, this would be ones, tens. If, for example, you have this would be 100, you guys should have a number chart, right? Should have done this. Now this one here is always give the problem. After the decimal point, that is 10th, notice the TH, alright? 100, and then you have the, let's say 8,000 with the TH on it. Notice after the decimal point, it will have a 1, 10th, 10th, 100, 1000, and so on with the TH, alright? And here we have the ones, tens, and then 100 and 1000, and so on, and then 10,000 and so forth. So please ensure that you guys go through that with your teachers, alright? Which comes just after the 6th position. Type in that for me, guys. Which comes after the 10th of 7th, the 6th position. Alright, so that would be 7th. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go. What about number 6? What is 26 rounded to the nearest 10? Go ahead and answer that one. What is 26 rounded to the nearest 10? And if you had said, let me just show you guys something so you guys fully understand what they mean. The nearest 10 is either 20 or 30. So to get to 30, we need 4 more, only 4 more, while if you get to 20, we have to minus 6. So this one is easier to reach because you only add 4, so that will be 30. Right, let's look at number 7. 2 over 7 plus 2 over 7. What will be the answer for that? Is it 2 over 14, 4 over 7, 4 over 14, or 1 over 2? Go ahead and answer that, guys. Let's go. Alright, so once the denominator is the same, as I said, guys, I'm trying to go as slow as possible. We keep the denominator because it's the same, and then we add the numerator. So we add 2 plus 2, which gives us 4 over 7. So this one would be correct. B. Let's move on to number 8. The product of two numbers is 36. Their sum is 13. What are the two numbers? So answer that one. 30 more seconds, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So two numbers, and multiply them, it give us 36, and we add them, it give us 30. Let's multiply first. So you try the multiplication first, and then you do the elimination process. 1 times 12, product mean to multiply, so 1 times 12 is 12. So it's not 36. So we can eliminate this. This would not be a possible option. Alright, let's go now. 3 times 12, that is 36. So let's check if we add them, if we get 30. 3 plus 12 is 15. So right there we can say, okay, can't be this because it must satisfy both of them. So we can eliminate this. Alright, so this now we have 6 times 7 is 42. So we can't use this because we didn't have to add because it will come to 12, right? Let's see the last option. It's 4 times 9. That is indeed 36. And when we add 4 plus 9, we get 30. So yeah, the last one fit the criteria. So that's B. Alright. How many meters are in 1 kilometer? Type in that in the comment section, guys. That is something that you guys should know. Alright, so kilo means 1,000. So it's 1,000 meters, means 1 kilometer. Alright, guys, know your conversion. How many milliliters make 1 liter? You have to know all of these stuff. Alright, the fence around a garden forms 4 right angles and has 4 equal sides. What is the shape of the garden? Is it a square, a rectangle, hexagon, or a triangle? Now we said all 4 sides are equal, so we know that it's a square. And it also has 4 right angles, so that's 8. What did you guys put? Number 11, what is the perimeter of the diagram shown below? So what does perimeter mean? What type of shape is this? And what does it say about the opposite sides of that shape? What did you guys get? So first of all, let us identify the shape. It's a rectangle. How we know that? Opposite sides are equal, so this side is also equal to 7 centimeters, and this side also equal to 4. So perimeter, notice the word perimeter, it means the total distance around. So we're gonna add all the sides going all the way around, and the total, that is the perimeter. So if you should walk around it, just like let's say a perimeter fence, so we add 7 plus 4 plus 7. We're going all the way around, guys. And we do mix up perimeter with area. Area is the total number of squares. So that gives us 22 centimeters. And notice it's not squared, it's the length of the entire rectangle. Alright, number 12 says if t is equal to 14, what is t times 3? Is it 62, 51, 42, or 32? How do we solve that? Somebody type that in the comment section. How many of you guys got correct so far? Let's go. Let's go. Alright. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace t because they told us t is 14. So the value of t is 14. So 14, t is just representing 14, the number 14. So I always do multiply 3 times 14, 3 plus 12, 2 carry 1, 3 ones 3, and that 4. So it will be 42. Alright. Bobby is X years old. Frank is 12 years older than Bobby. Which number represents Frank's age? That's all like Frank fertile. Alright, so let's just write Bobby age. So you can have a little sentence here. Bobby is X. So Frank is 12 years older. So whatever Bobby is, you're gonna add 12 to get Frank's age. Right? So if Bobby is 1, Frank would be how many? How old? So that's 12 plus X. Even though they have it turn around, it's the same thing, alright? A bar graph shows the height of 6 students. Use the graph to answer height questions 14 and 15. So we have Andrew, Barry, Charlie, Dana, Eve, and Fiona. Big up yourself, Fiona, from grade 10, St. Mary's College. I know she watching, guys. That girl support me in all the videos. It could be Pep, it could be any City and Gills. Thank you so much, Fiona, for the support. St. Mary's College. Big up yourself. Alright. So it said the student's name and they gave the height over there in centimeters. And let's see what the question asks us, because I haven't gone to that part yet. What is the height of the tallest student? So it asks us for the height for the tallest student. One thing with PEP, you must know bar chart, line graph, pie chart, stem and leaf, all of those things, alright? If you don't know these topics, guys, you need to get with it. I've already exposed my grade 4 and 5 to stem and leaf, line graph, tally, and all of those things because I know it's essential part of PEP learning, alright? So you guys ensure so you get to that. Alright, so they ask for what? The height of the, so what we do, we look for the tallest bar. So we talk about Andrew. Andrew is 120 centimeter. Because what you do, you read it off here, right? Barry is 140. I know they didn't ask to do that, you know, guys, but I just want to enlighten everyone. I'm a teacher, that's what I do. And then this one is 180, which is Dana. Pick up yourself, Dana. And right here, this one is 140. So both of them have the same height, Dana and Barry. And Fiona comes in basically second with 160. So the height of the tallest person is 180 centimeter, which is Dana. So big up yourself, Dana. Question 15 is based on the same question. How much taller than Charlie is Eve? So Eve taller, so I'm going to find Eve. And the Eve by the update. Eve. So Eve is 140. Luckily, I've done it already. So Eve is 140. And to do it, it will just come. So guys, use a ruler. Because if you want to make mistake in PEP, because you want to get this full of your choice, right? Minus Charlie, which is 100. That means it's 40. And the unit is centimeters. So it's 40 centimeters taller. Why my M look like that, guys? Why my M look like that? There we go. Alright, so the answer should be 40. Let's go down. Oh, at the end, you know? At the end. Alright, so for those of you who might not have my number, which you should already have, but I'll put it again. I am enough spend it. So you guys just link me up and join my class. I have classes for grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, and grade 11. Adults who are doing C6, City and Gills. So I have class with everybody, guys. Alright, so I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video. More videos coming. Me not have to say that. You guys know already.